Hey everyone, if PDFsam Basic won't open on your computer, don't worry. This problem is usually caused by installation issues, outdated software, or temporary system errors. In this video, I'll show you how to fix PDFsam Basic, not opening step by step. First, restart your computer and try opening PDFsam Basic again. Yeah, a simple restart can often resolve temporary software problems. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of PDFsam Basic. If you're running an older version, download and install the newest release from the official PDFsam website. If the program still won't open, uninstall PDFsam Basic completely and then reinstall it. If possible, remove any leftover PDFsam installation folders before installing the latest version again. Now, check that your operating system is supported and fully updated. Recent versions of PDFsam Basic require a 64-bit operating system, and newer releases include the required Java runtime, so you don't need to install Java separately. Content reference OSIte, 0 index equals 0. If you're using Windows, try running PDFsam Basic as an administrator. Right-click the application icon and select *Run as administrator* to see if that resolves the issue. You should also temporarily disable any antivirus software that's blocking the application, then try launching PDFsam again. If it opens successfully, add PDFsam Basic to your antivirus allow list. If the application still doesn't start, use the PDFsam startup script or check the debug logs to identify the error. The official PDFsam troubleshooting guide explains how to generate startup diagnostics for further investigation. Content reference OSIte, 1 index equals 1, and that's it. Now you know how to fix PDFsam Basic when it's not opening. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.